Y'all know that we all want to live luxury lifestyles, drive fancy cars, and barely have to work hard for our money. You can make unlimited amounts of money with binary options, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can trade like a professional. I know we're all tired of working a 9 to 5, thinking about how we're going to pay our rent the next month. With binary options, you can literally change your lifestyle around in only one single week. If you're new to binary options, you should trade on the demo mode so that you don't lose any real money, because it does take time and practice to perfect the methods of trading. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can trade binary options like a professional the easiest way possible. Even middle schoolers can come out profitable at the end of the day with this trading method. I'm going to teach you guys some technical analysis, how to read candlesticks, and even guys the time frames that you should be trading on these binary options using pocket option. So with all that being said, let's get right into this video. Let's go. Woo! Alright guys, so we're on pocket option, and as you can see, this is how the platform looks. And right now, if you're new to binary options, these are your currencies, guys, and then you also have the stocks that you're going to be wanting to trade on the most. So these are the two main things. And the one thing that I want to teach you guys and how you can lose less money, the first lesson I have to teach you is this OTC, meaning over the counter market. Alright, so this over-the-counter market is not really good to trade on, because that means that it is a manipulated market. And guys, you can lose a lot of trades with this, because if the broker pocket option sees that you're winning, you know, a lot of trades in a row and a lot of trades, they're going to try to take you out of a big trade that you decide to, you know, finally double up on your money. You know what I'm saying? You want to put $1,000 on a trade, and they see that, guys, they're going to try to take your money in just one candlestick. So let's just say you've made a trade right here to go up or something, or let's just say right here, guys, on a better example, you've made a trade to continue to push down or whatever, and then boom, it went up. So and then it goes right back down. So that is kind of how pocket option will take you out of this trade on this big green candle right here. As you can see, let's say you place the trades for the resistance to hit right up in this area right here. Pocket option will push this candle up right here and then continue back down right after your trade closes. So I don't suggest trading on OTC. You do want to trade on these real currencies right here. And for the stocks on pocket option, they don't even have the real stocks open. As you can see, they're all currently closed. So that is the first lesson, guys. Try to stay away from OTC as much as possible, but you can still win on OTC. Don't get it twisted. So for the second lesson that I want to teach you guys is it's gonna be these candlestick time frames. So what you want to do when you're trading is you always want to start from the highest time frame to find your chart. So as you can see on this currency right here, we're on a constant downtrend on the M30. But if we go to the M1 on a shorter time frame, because we are trading for the 1 minute, you can see that we're on a support and resistance, more so green candles going up. And guys, if we go to a different chart, let's go to the highest riskiest currency pair on this platform right now, which is going to be I/CAD, and then you can see that we're on a constant uptrend on the M1. We've hit this level of resistance right here that I've already had a line for. And guys, as you can see on the M10, we are going still on an uptrend, but we've hit that level of resistance and we're starting to come down. Now, as you can see, the stochastic is still not curving down yet, but you know, resistance has to come in somewhere. So I'm predicting right now this is going to be one small red candle that we're on right now, and then it's going to start going back up. So right now we could go ahead and place, let's say, a 1 minute time frame trade for the down position, just because we are oversold. The stochastic is starting to curve down on the 1 minute. But guys, what I do want to go ahead and show you, because I was trying to get a sniper entry in this trade, I wanted to get it as soon as possible, so I didn't go to the 10-second. But what you want to do when you're placing trades is you want to go to this 10-second chart right here. So we're just going to let this trade roll out, and we're going to look at it in the corner right here. This is how you can see if your trade is winning. If this right here is green, that means your trade is winning, and if it's white, that means your trade is losing. So we have 25 seconds left. So I could explain this more. Let's go to a different chart. Let's go to CAD JPY, one of my favorite charts to trade on. And as you can see on the 10-second, we have more so of, you know, some more zigzaggy formation right here. So the stochastic is going to resemble that. And as you can see, the stochastic is shooting up right now, and we have 4, 3, 2, 1 on this trade over here, and we just actually, we really just tied this trade right at the last second. As you can see, the icon was yellow at the bottom. We tied that trade. So, you know, support and resistance, that does happen. At least we didn't lose any money. So on this CAD JPY, as you can see, the chart just hit the upper Bollinger Band, and the we're actually heading outside of the upper Bollinger Band, and the stochastic is trying to curve back down. So right now, I think I'm going to get it on a 30-second time frame trade to head down, because we're oversold and we are on a downtrend. Now, this trade could possibly lose because we have a lot of push to the upward side, but you want to be risky. You kind of want to fool the market on itself, guys, because a lot of people would think this trade would continue to go up because, you know, the push is strong up, but the market is wanting to go down because that's just market structure. And as you can see, at the last second, this is what I'm trying to tell you about OTC market structure, guys. At the last second, we lost that trade. As you see, man, we need to run that back on a replay. We lost that trade in the last second, and we're going up, man. So that's how OTC markets can manipulate your trades. And this is the 10-second time frame, so you can see way more detail on here. And as you can see, we're still oversold, so we're gonna just go ahead, go back to the 1 minute and place a down trade because we're still oversold. Stochastic is trying to curve down again, and we just have too much of a big green candle over here on the 30-second. So if we go to the 30-second, you will see a big green candle, and hopefully a red candle comes behind that. And we're trying to curve down on the 30 seconds as well. So if we don't start curving down, this is just a L for the day. The market just doesn't want to achieve market structure like how it's supposed to. It's oversold outside of the Bollinger Bands. Big green candle, a big red candle should resist that, or multiple red candles. But if it continues to go up, this is just going to be an L for the day. As you can see, the stochastic is starting to smoothen back out, but we have 20 seconds left on this trade. You know, the hope is not lost yet, but it looks like it's going to lose, guys. So this is, you know, the lesson of the day, man. Sometimes the market is going to just continue to rise up and you go with the trend, but if sometimes the market will shoot down. As you can see, we're shooting down, and in 1 second, if you had 3 more seconds left on this trade, you would have won. As you can see, the market just pushed down some more, and you know, that's how OTC is. It will put you out of trades and go right in your direction as soon as your trade closes. So it will withhold on you. It will hold out on you. That's why you have to go to these real currency pairs right here. So if you go to the real CAD JPY, you can see that we're on a W on this 1 minute time frame, and the stochastic is going up. So real market structure would be that we're going to continue on this uptrend right here, because this is an uptrend. This is the resistance candle right here. The stochastic, yes, is curving down on the 5, 3, and 3, meaning that, you know, this is the short term of what the candles are doing. But on the 23 and 3, the stochastic has not yet curved, and it's continuing to go up. So we're going to see what this trade does. Let's go to the 10 seconds so we can get more detail and see how sniper our entry was. As you can see, we got it at its lowest point. The trade is still winning right now because we're in the green, and we're going to continue to go down. But let's just see if this trade can hold out. Now, if I lose this trade, guys, as you can see, man, this is not a regular market structure. All right, so this is just what happens in trading sometimes. This will be literally my worst trading day on YouTube so far. I am live trading. I will post this video so that you guys can learn from my mistakes. But as you can see right here, we lost that trade because market structure, boom. If we place the line, a horizontal line right here, if we place the horizontal line right here at the end of these candles, meaning this is where the chart should touch, then I would have saw that the market would have continued to go down to at least this line before it started going up, and I would have placed a trade probably right here on this candle to go up. But we was on the 1 minute. We didn't get that sniper entry look, guys. We didn't get that sniper entry vision, and the trade started to fall down even more because it wanted to go outside of this here zone. So that is something that you have to watch out for when you are trading, guys. You want to put your horizontal lines before you place trades to see where the chart could potentially go, what it's trying to reach, and then you want to follow the trend sometimes, and sometimes you want to even go against the trend. So when you want to go against the trend, that would be more so let's see if example for when you want to go against the trend. Right now we're on a constant downtrend because our 200 EMA moving average, this blue line right here, the chart is under it, meaning that we're on a downtrend. So if you want to go against the trend right here, you would probably wait until the chart hits this level of resistance right here, these two lines right here. You would wait probably a couple minutes or even 2 minutes, because this is the 10-second time frame. You would wait a couple minutes for it to hit this line right here. But if you want to be a risky trader, if you want to start making money in the meantime, you see that the chart is trying to come down, the stochastic is trying to come down, the blue line is over this, and we're trying to go up right now. So let's get on its highest point. Let's see if we can get a 30-second trade to come down to see if we could come and reach this line right here. And the full time before it hits this support line, you kind of want to hit down entries before you hit the up entry to, you know, hit it going back up. So let me show you what I'm talking about. We do have 19 seconds left, actually 9 seconds left, my bad. And as you can see, we are about to lose that trade as well, guys. So we just lost that trade as well. This is a heavy losing day. Like, look at this, nothing but L's. We were doing good all before this. Look at all this green, all that green right there, guys, all those wins, and then boom, nothing but L's today, because the market is not doing regular market structure. Now if you're looking at this video, you're probably like, dang, you're trash. Well, every trader has days like this. Might not be, you know, 4 trades in a row, 5 trades in a row, but every trader has a losing trading day, as long as you have more winning days than losing days. And if you go watch my videos in the past on market analysis and all these different strategies, you will see that I'm winning. But because I'm not actually trading off of strategy today, I'm just trading based off of market structure and what the market normally does. That's why I'm losing, because I'm trying to teach you guys technical analysis. So as you can see, the chart is trying to come back up to this zone up here, and you know, this is unexpected, but we did see the chart as it was coming down. Now we're going back up. So you know, you can't really blame it, because I got in the market at the wrong time. This right here could go any way possible. You know, we have a line of resistance right here as well. Let's get another line right here. We have another line of resistance right here, and also we have another line right here of where the candlesticks are right now. So this is literally a 50-50 trade, and as you can see, we placed the wrong trade. We thought it was going to come down to this level of resistance, but it wanted to head back up to this level even after the long downtrend. So now we're just on its way back up, and to see what the chart is going to do even after this reversal right here, this full that we just got finessed on, we are on a W. So we are on a W, and as you can see, our next zone would be right up in here, guys. Our next zone would be right here, and on this W time frame, you could place, you know, some up trades. And if you're confident that the chart is going to go up, as you can see, we're trying to hit that next zone, even though our candle in the previous has went down. So on the 10-second, you can see that we've hit that zone up there, but the candle has went down. So let's see if we could get our money back, and we have 13 seconds left for all 4 of these trades. And let's see if this candle will support us and get us to making some money for the day. And as you can see, oh my gosh, as you can see, we just drew one of those trades. We had a tie on one of them, and we lost the last 3. But right after the trade, the market wants to continue to go up. So literally, like I said, OTC 2 seconds late. This is the problem that I had all day today and all day yesterday. But as you can see, we still was winning trades yesterday, but you know, we still had that problem earlier on in the day. But as you can see today, OTC has completely taken me out the market. And if you rewind this video and rewatch it, you will see all the trades I placed literally was lost in the last second. We were right, and then we were wrong, and then we were right again. So this is how OTC manipulates. I hope you learned a valuable lesson. Don't trade OTC. You want to get these real currency pairs. You want to trade the real Forex markets. And sometimes, guys, depending on your time frame and what time of the day it is, the market is closed. The market is closed. So if you don't want to lose your money, don't trade on the weekends, and don't trade after 4 p.m. so that you won't have to trade OTC currency pairs, guys. So I hope you learned a lot of things in this video. You see the losses over here, man. This is the first L video I have posted on YouTube. We're live trading. I needed to pump out a video today. And as you can see, traders have these type of days, man, where you just lose a lot of trades. But a lot of these trades lost in literally the last second. We were right, then we were wrong. You know what I'm saying? We were right, and then we were wrong, you know what I mean? And then you come right here, we were right, then we were wrong, and then we come right here, we were right, and then we were wrong right in the last second, guys. I'm tired of that happening with OTC. And then for the big trade, the double down, we did lose 3 out of 4 and the last second to lose, you know, a lot of our money in our account for the day. But that's why you trade until you can't trade no more, and then the next day you make more money and more money, so you can afford losing days like this. So once you start losing, you know, 4 trades in a row, you do want to hop out the market. You don't want to completely blow your account. We did start with $9,000 today in the demo account. Now we're down to $2,000, but this is a demo account. We're not trading real money because it's only for educational purposes only. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe so you can get more professional trading videos. My name is King Latta. This is Black Investors Group. We out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pull before